y'all, so I just finished cleaning the car. I'm about to go home, go take my son to go get some Brahms. He said he wants some Brahms or whatever, so better go pick him up, go take him to Brahms or whatever, and get in these streets because I got my freaking car back, y'all. Like, I'm so happy I got my baby. So yeah, I'm out rolling. Just left the car wash, got my baby all cleaned up on the inside and outside. Tires is shining, like them shoes is shining, looking good. Yeah, so yeah, y'all, I'm about to hit these streets.
I just wanna rewind. I haven't seen you in a long time. You got the blood, she's not so shy.
Here goes some extra, so
in the moment, got an expensive taste. She try a lot for the money.
I can't see nobody stopping us. Yeah, we're unstoppable.
She's not so shy.
So I'm at my doctor's office. I'm at the doctor's office, but I had a good report or whatever, you guys. Really good report. So yeah, I'm happy about that. So now I already see my doctor. Now I'm about to go see my therapist. Then I'm going to the gym. good. You finished? Ooh. And they done touched all my tires. And they ain't said nothing.
They probably switch sockets.
I was like,
This one I got right here, this come out of Cadillac. This thing here probably older than Cadillac. I've been having this thing so long.
I probably got one in the trunk.
I tried.
That one, because you ain't got me that one.
Yeah. See,
It's that side or it's the passenger side?
It's this only one. This is 19 millimeter. It's
Ah.
on the side. This will fit that. But none of these will fit this side.
But it wouldn't fit. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Come here. What you doing? What you doing? Come on. Go. Come on. Let's go. You know I ain't got nothing in my hand. Come on. That thing is dangerous. Yeah, look at this thing. Dangerous. My foot went straight through it. Move, Loki. Move. My foot went straight under that thing. Super dangerous. Come on. Come on. What is you doing? Y'all, this Twiz dog is Loki. Say hi, Loki. Say hi. He usually don't fool me. He know I don't play with him. Yeah, he know I ain't no pet person either. That's why he usually just be looking at me. Huh, Loki? Huh? 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 Nope. I ain't got nothing. I ain't got nothing. Yeah. It's cool over here, Loki. Watch out for that thing. Look, y'all. I'm gonna have to tell my stepdad about that. Dangerous. Dangerous. Wire thing that's on the side of the yard. It's on the side of the house.
Yeah.
That thing's dangerous.
Is that a wire? I thought that was a tree thing.
It feel like wires coming out of it. Yeah. Well, I mean, it's both ends are in the ground, but I didn't notice it. My foot went straight through it. You know, so it stopped me. Yeah. Oh, she tripping. Oh, she tripping. He don't know who she is. She have not in memory. She need to go talk to somebody or something. Yeah, she need to go talk to somebody. She probably ain't never went to therapy or nothing. Yeah, when cause I saw them talking to that woman at the bar. Okay, y'all. So I literally just got up here to Hobby Lobby. I'm trying to rush because it's like 7:30 right now, and they close at 8. Cause I got 2 tree orders I gotta do this weekend. So I need to come get some stuff. Y'all know I just left my parents because my dad was fixing my car because I needed the outer tie rod in. So let's go in here and get this stuff real quick before they close. Okay, y'all, so I literally just came back out of Hobby Lobby. I was trying to get more for y'all, but my best friend had called me, so I was talking to her. But I got some stuff for the orders or whatever. And now I'm getting ready to go to the store and get these strawberries so I can at least get them cleaned and prepped tonight. And then, yeah, I'm gonna get up early in the morning and start my first order. And yeah, y'all. Yeah. Oh, I gotta get some chocolate too from Walmart. Yeah, because I got some chocolate from Hobby Lobby, but I gotta get some more. But yeah, so yeah, we better go do that. So y'all, got some new contacts. They are not, these are actually the gray. I swear to y'all, these one contacts that I was getting, it was the Air Optics color. Y'all, them contacts, y'all see my videos, they make my eyes look like they're freaking blue. Like, but these are more of the gray. Let me try to see if I can get in the light. These are more of like gray, like, so I feel like these are more a basic color because them other ones, they say sterling gray, but swear in my eyes they look blue. But I got these now, so. What's up, y'all? Okay, y'all, so I finished both the orders that I had for this weekend. Really bomb orders. Like, it's been a pretty good week. I've kind of been a little stressed. I got a lot on my mind, a lot going on. I will be telling y'all about it soon. I just cannot tell y'all yet, but I'm about to go in here and get me some sleep because I am really tired. But yeah, be sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all next time.